Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. And now we are going to start our English class. Since grammar is very important in English, let's see the basic grammars. Now, first of all, let's see English tenses. So we are in this lesson we are going to see what all the tenses are there in English, especially active voice, and then especially we are going to look at the simple tenses. Okay, okay, let's go. So what is tense? Tense specify the time of an action. Yeah, it exactly talks about when an action is done. Okay, see ஒரு வேலை அல்லது ஒரு செயல் எப்பொழுது நடைபெற்றது என்பதை tense அல்லது காலம் காட்டுகிறது. The simple meaning of tense is காலம், time. Okay, so there are many tenses in English. So we are going to categorize them into four. The first category is simple tenses. Okay, we are going to see what are the simple tenses we have. Simple present tense, simple past tense, and then simple future tense. There are three tenses in simple tenses. They are simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Okay, the next one, progressive or continuous tenses. Progressive or continuous tenses. So in it also we have three: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. And then the third category is perfect tenses. So in these perfect tenses, we have present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. And the final category, the fourth category, perfect continuous or perfect progressive tenses. So here also we have three. The first one is present perfect continuous, second past perfect continuous, and then future perfect continuous. So now there are many teachers they divide or categorize differently, but for a better understanding, I have just divided them into four. They are simple tenses, progressive or continuous tenses, perfect tenses, and then perfect continuous tenses. Okay, totally in active voice we have 12 tenses. Okay, let's look into the each tenses individually. The first of all we are going to see simple tenses. Okay, so simple tenses. In the simple tenses, the first one is simple present tense, as we all know. I know many of you knows this very well. Let's see first of all what is the formula of simple present tense, and then we will see the usage, then the negative form and question form of simple present tense. Okay, so what are we going to see? Secondly, the usage, and then the negative, and then the question. Okay, first of all, the formula of simple present tense, which is very important when we will have test in the coming days. When we have test, you will get a question from here. So be very careful on it. The formula of simple present tense. I, you have to see we have divided the sentence into three. One is the subject part and verb part and then object part. In the subject part, if you see and if you have I or plural, the verb one, the base form of verb we have to add. What is verb one? Just think. Call, called, called. கூப்பிடு. We recite in the prayer as call, called, called. The first form of the verb is called base form of the verb. Okay, so call is the base form of the verb. Likewise, all the verbs. Second, if the singular comes. So for plural and I, we have seen verb 1. For singular, verb 1 should be there. There is no change. We have to add s or es with the verb 1. Okay? With verb 1, we have to add s or es. Okay, for example, children is singular or plural? Yeah, children is plural. So children read, verb first form. Newspaper. See, the read is verb first form. குழந்தைகள் செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறார்கள். Tamil also very important. To learn tense better, you should know both the English and Tamil translation of it. Okay, so we will get it. So the children is plural, so we have used verb first form. Children read newspaper. குழந்தைகள் செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறார்கள். Okay, singular. With the singular, see, Raju is singular. If you see, verb first form read, and we have added yes, because the formula says yes, it is the rule. So Raju reads newspaper. Tamil, Raju செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறான். Is it easy? Plural வந்துச்சுன்னா வெர்போட பேஸ் ஃபார்ம் அல்லது வெர்போட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் அப்படியே எழுதிடணும். சிங்குலர் வந்துச்சுன்னா வெர்போட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் கூட எஸ் அல்லது இஎஸ் சேர்த்து எழுதணும். திஸ் இஸ் வாட் சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸோடைய ரூல். சரியா? ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் see now the usages. நம்ம சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ் பார்த்தாச்சு. இது நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம் தெரியல. ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் see now. ஓகே, சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ் நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? The first one, to express or it expresses a habit or often repeated action. A habit, so in the past also you were doing and now you are doing, the future also you do. For example, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. நான் காலை 5 மணிக்கு எழுந்திருக்கிறேன். டெய்லி எழுந்திருக்கிறேன். அது நேற்றுக்கு சரி, இன்னைக்கு சரி, நாளைக்கு சரி. ஓகே, I do my homework regularly. நான் என்னுடைய வீட்டு பாடங்களை தவறாமல் செய்கிறேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் ரெகுலராக செய்கிற ஆக்ஷனை தான் ஹேபிட் சொல்லுவோம். Can you understand this? So, to express a habitual action or often repeated action, அதை சொல்றதுக்கு we use simple present tense. The usage is very important, children. So be very, very, very careful. Okay, the next one. It expresses a general truth or facts. நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. General truth, இந்த உலகத்துல மாறாத உண்மைகளை சொல்வதற்கு சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ் பயன்படுத்துவோம். அது போல சொல்லணும்னா யுனிவர்சல் ட்ரூத், உலக உண்மைகள். நல்லா கவனிங்களேன். என்ன உலக உண்மை? சூரியன் கிழக்கில் உதிக்கிறது. அது என்னைக்காவது மேற்கில் உதிக்குமா? மேற்கு திசையில் உதிக்குமா? No. So let's see. Sun rises in the east. So அது rises, sun வந்து சிங்குலர் இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம verb 1 கூட just எழுதணும். Can you understand this? So just to express a general truth of fact in English, we have to use simple present tense. Okay. Next, the action that happens now. இப்போ நடக்கிற காரியங்களை ஒரு செய்தி வாக்கியமாக, ஒரு சாதாரண வாக்கியமாக சொல்வதற்கு we use simple present tense. Can you understand? For example, our Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi goes to America. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோமா? நமது பாரத பிரதமர் நரேந்திர மோடி அவர்கள் அமெரிக்கா செல்கிறார். So it is a statement, yes, ஒரு செய்தி வாக்கியம். இப்போ நடக்கிறது ஒரு செய்தியா சொல்றாங்க. So for that they use simple present tense. There are 3 usages. Keep them in your mind. Okay, let's see the negative. Simple present tense நெகட்டிவ்ல எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? I or plural வரும்போது you have to use do not. இது எப்படி டிவைட் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லி பின்னால் உள்ள கிளாஸில் நம்ம வந்து கொஷின்ஸ் படிப்போம், அதில் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் சி. ஐ ஆர் ப்ளூரல் சப்ஜெக்டில் வந்துச்சுன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் do not plus verb 1 plus object. Next, singular. If singular comes, we have to use does not. Okay, don't forget. If I and plural comes, we have to use do not. And if singular comes, we have to use does not. And then after does not, there is no s or es with verb 1. ரொம்ப முக்கியம். verb 1 கூட s or es சேர்க்கக்கூடாது. does not எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay? For example, children do not read newspaper. பாருங்க, do not. குழந்தைகள் செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறதில்லை. And then Raju does not. ஏன்னா சிங்குலர். Raju does not read newspaper. ராஜு செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறதில்லை. ஒரு ஹேபிச்சுவல் ஆக்ஷன் தான் நம்ம இது சொல்லிட்டோம். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் சி கொஸ்டின் நவ. Do I or plural plus verb 1 plus object. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை, நீங்க நல்லா கவனிங்க. நெகட்டிவ்ல இருந்து we have just taken do out and put in front of the sentence. அங்க இருந்து do எடுத்து ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வச்சிருக்கோம், அவ்வளவுதான். அது கொஸ்டின் ஆக முடியாது. Okay, let's see. Then the next one, you know. Can we say the next one? How does it come? Does plus singular plus verb 1 plus object. So this is one question. Okay. Next. For example, do children read newspaper? குழந்தைகள் செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறார்களா? Does Raju read newspaper? ராஜு செய்தித்தாள் வாசிக்கிறானா? Does வந்ததுனால verb 1 கூட yes வரல. Be very careful to understand that. Okay. So we have seen simple present tense clearly. So what are the things that we have to remember in simple present tense? Let's see what are the things we have to remember in simple present tense. First, formula. Second, negative formula. Third, question formula. And then the usages, that is very important. So if you know these three, you can easily understand and write simple present tense. If you know all the tense like this, you will be expert in English. Okay. So now I am going to give you homework here. Let's see what is the homework. Homework. Make 10 sentences in simple present tense with Tamil translation. Make 10 sentences in simple present tense with Tamil translation. Okay? Okay. So you have to write 10 simple present tenses and then Tamil translation. Like I gave you the examples. Okay? Be very careful. And let's go to the next tense. Okay? What is the next tense? Simple past. Yeah, let's see simple past. Okay? So first of all, we will see the simple past tense and formula, everything, and then usages, and then negative, and then question form. Okay, let's see the formula. Very easy. There is no differentiation between singular or plural. Any subject also, but verb 2 comes there. Okay, the subject is not the matter here. Subject எது வந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, verb செகண்ட் ஃபார்ம் நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லி தந்துக்கிறேன். Call, called, called. So what is the second form of the verb? That is called. Okay, so you have to use the second form. For example, children ate apple. So ate, what is the first form of ate? That is eat. The second form of eat is ate. குழந்தைகள் ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிட்டார்கள். தமிழ் ரொம்ப முக்கியம் சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன். குழந்தைகள் ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிட்டார்கள். ஏற்கனவே முடிஞ்சிட்டு ஆக்ஷன். Okay. See, verb 2 has come. And then if you see the next one, singular. Raju ate apple. Is there any change in the verb? No. This is also verb 2. Raju apple சாப்பிட்டான். Okay. Can you understand this? இதுல verb ல எந்த change So let's see the usage. It expresses a habit or often repeated action in the past. அதாவது கடந்த காலத்துல ஒரு ஹேபிட் உனக்கு இருந்துச்சு அதை சொல்றதுக்கு சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ the next one, simple present tense, the usage of it. It expresses an action that happened in the past. பாஸ்ட்ல எந்த டைம் ஆகும், இதுக்கு முன்னால எந்த டைம்ல நடந்த ஒரு ஆக்ஷனையே சொல்றதுக்கு simple present tense is used. Can you understand? There are two usages here. Okay, let's see the negative form of it. Subject and did not. In simple present we saw do not and does not. Yes, here only one, did not. And then did not போட்ட பிறகு நம்ம V2 யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, வெர்போட செகண்ட் ஃபார்ம் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. That is very important here. So you have to use verb 1. Can you understand this? Are you sure? Okay, let's see an example. Children did not eat apple. நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோ, did not பிறகு 8 வரல, verb 2 வரல, eat. குழந்தைகள் ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிடவில்லை. See, verb 1 is coming. So that's very important. So no, take a note of it. Let's see with the singular also. Raju did not eat apple. Raju apple சாப்பிடவில்லை. So verb 1 is very important. Okay. If did not comes, verb 1 you have to use. Because in the question also we are going to use the same. Let's see the formula of the question. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object with question mark. Okay, see now. The did comes friend, yes. அந்த நம்ம did போட்டோம்னா do போட்டோம் does போட்டோம், அதுதான் இன்னால வருது, இதெல்லாம் அப்படிதான் வருது. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், did children eat apple? குழந்தைகள் ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிட்டார்களா? ராஜு ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிட்டானா? In English, did Raju eat apple? Can you understand this? So now we have seen simple past clearly. Take a look, note of it, and look this very clearly. In simple past, we have some things to remember. What are those? Yeah, formula of simple past tense. That is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Formula of negative in simple past. Subject did not plus verb 1 plus object. Formula of question in simple past. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. So and the usages. There are two usages. And now we have come to homework section. What homework? That will be surprising for us. Okay, we are going to see. Homework. Make 5 sentences in simple past tense with the Tamil translation. It will be easy, yes. In simple present 10 and simple past 5. You have to make it and send it to me through WhatsApp. You will have the WhatsApp number, yes. You will have a group in it. So you have to send it to me through WhatsApp. Can you understand? Okay, let's move on to the next tense in simple tenses. That is, can you tell me simple future? Okay, simple future. Yeah, simple future tense. Here also we are going to see the formula and then usages and the negative formula and the question formula. Okay, shall we start now? Simple future tense formula. So for I and we have separate formula. Can you understand? For I and we are going to use shall plus or extra word shall plus verb 1 plus object. I or we, I use பண்ண வந்தாலும் we வந்தாலும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம்னா verb இருக்கிற இடத்துல shall plus verb first form plus object. The next with other subjects என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Let's see. With other subject we are going to use will plus verb 1. I and we alone has shall plus verb 1. With other subjects, will plus verb 1. Okay, let's see some examples. First of all, with I. Okay, I shall write homework. நான் வீட்டு பாடம் எழுதுவேன். Again, listen me very carefully. Writing in Tamil or translating in Tamil is very important so that you can understand the tense very clearly. Okay, I shall write homework. But see, Raju will, because other subjects அதை தவிர்த்து வேற எது வந்தாலும் will தான் யூஸ் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ராஜு will write homework. ராஜு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுதுவான். See, verb 1. இதுல verb 2, verb 3 எல்லாம் கிடையாது. Don't confuse yourself because some of you may think that verb 3 can come home. With simple future, you have tried verb 1, but we have to add will or shall. Okay. See here we have used again verb 1. Let's see the next usage. It expresses an action happens in the future. நீ ஃபியூச்சர்ல நடக்கிற ஒரு ஆக்ஷனை சொல்ற, நாளைக்கு நடக்கிற ஒரு காரியத்தை சொல்றதுக்கு you have to use simple future alone. Okay, you have to use simple future alone. அதேதான் உன்னுடைய ஃபியூச்சர் பிளானா இருக்கலாம் அல்லது உன்னுடைய ஃபியூச்சர்ல நீ எடுக்க டிசிஷனா இருக்கலாம், எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் you use will or shall. Okay, now come to the negative side. I or we shall not, அந்த shall கூட not போடுறோம். Other subject will not, அந்த will கூட not போடுறோம். Can you understand? It will be very easy for you because the previous one we have divided and we had the some extra words called do, did, does and all. But here we are not going to add any extra words, but what with the will and shall we use not. Okay. For example, it is used in the sentence. See now. I shall not write homework. நான் வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டேன். நான் நாளைக்கு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டேன். So we say in Tamil as I shall not write. Okay, I will not write homework. Raju will not write homework. Raju வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டான். So if you add tomorrow, Raju நாளைக்கு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டான். So now let's see the question form. Okay, shall plus I or we plus verb 1 plus object. ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல. We have shifted the shall from its place to beginning, front. That's it. Subject முன்னால shall போட்டுட்டோம். Subject முன்னால shall போட்டுட்டோம். Can you understand this? So take a look, take a note of this very clearly. Okay, we have seen simple future tense. In simple future, with verb 1 we add will or shall. Will எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? I மற்றும் we இல்லாத இடத்துல will யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Other subjects கூட other subject கூட will யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஐக்கு விக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? shall யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அவ்வளவுதான். ஸோ அடுத்து தமிழ் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன் பார்த்தோம், யூசேஜ் பார்த்தோம். எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம்? ஃபியூச்சரில் நம்ம செய்ய போகிற காரியத்தை அல்லது ஒரு பிளான், ஒரு டிசிஷன், வாட் எவர் இட் மே பி, we use simple future tense. And we saw the negative. Yes, what did we do in the negative? Let's see. With shall and will we have added not. That's it. No extra things. See, I shall not write homework. நான் வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டேன். ராஜு will not write homework. ராஜு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுத மாட்டான். Now question form. We have seen the question form. Shall I or we plus verb 1 plus object. Will plus other subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, okay, we will change this again into question. Shall I write homework? நான் வீட்டு பாடம் எழுதுவேனா? Shall I write homework tomorrow? நான் நாளைக்கு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுதுவேனா? Okay. Will Raju write homework? ராஜு வீட்டு பாடம் எழுதுவானா? Will Raju write homework on Saturday? சனிக்கிழமை ராஜு homework எழுதுவானா? Okay, can you understand the difference? Yes, I know you have understood it very well. Okay, now what are the things that we have to remember with simple future tense. First of all, we should remember the formula of simple future tense. Okay, so there are two formulas here, and then we should remember the negative form of simple future tense. Okay, and then the question form of simple future tense. Okay, these three forms we have seen from simple present, simple past, and simple future. These three forms and the formulas of it is very important. Can you understand this? So, and again, the usage we have seen, yes, the usage is very important. So, what is the usage of simple future? Already we have studied. So, when we have test, now if you have test the coming test, you have to write. If we ask, okay, write the three forms of simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. You have to use with its usage. You have to write these three plus usage. Okay. So I have given the homework from each uh, slide, which means each part. A simple present, you have to write 10 sentences with Tamil translation. Simple past, you have to write 5 sentences with Tamil translation. And simple future, what is your homework? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, again, 5 sentences in simple present future with Tamil translation. நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ. ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் இப்ப சொல்ல போறேன். You should not write the same subject and the same verb again. ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு நீ ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் ஒரு verb யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அதை நீ அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Each subject and verb should be unique or different. Can you understand? அதாவது எல்லா சப்ஜெக்டும் எல்லா வெர்பும் வேற வேற இருக்கும். இப்போ வந்து 10 plus 5 plus 5. You are going to write 20 sentences. Yes? For the 20 sentences, you have to write 20 different subjects and 20 different verbs. Can you understand? So be very wise to do it. And this homework, I need it before this evening. Okay? Send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, let's see. So we will recall again. We have seen simple tenses. There are three simple tenses. One is simple present, simple past, and simple future. So remember this and be ready to answer over us. Okay? Thank you, children. Let's see again in the coming classes. Thank you so much.